How to get bank heist rewards in Monopoly Go. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we will learn how we can get bank heist rewards in Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's get started. To get bank heist rewards in Monopoly Go, land on any railroad tile to trigger the minigame. Tap the vault doors to match 3 items that are silver coins, cash stacks or diamond rings, and also maximize your payouts by timing your rolls with mega heist flash events and high dice multipliers. To get a better idea, you can also make sure to follow all of the other steps like waiting for mega heist events, using high multipliers, and spending your cash quickly. This way you can get bank heist rewards in Monopoly Go. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.